So welcome to my studio space in 2024. We are living in the future. And yeah, that opening sequence was done with the AI warp on the Insta360 Ace Pro. I really wanted to test it out, and it was both easier to do and harder to do than I thought. The easy, well, all you do is shoot your video, and then you connect it to the app. You go into the shot labs, and they have so many shot lab effects that you can choose from, and that's one of Insta360's biggest advantages. So then from there, you can select AI warp, and then you just choose the length of that video clip. You pick your theme. This was cyberpunk, but there are so many that you can choose from, as you can see right here. And they're also adding themes as they go. Plus you can even pick custom, and then you can kind of tell the AI what you want it to do. You get like 15 seconds to choose from, and then within that 15 seconds, you only get 4 seconds where it actually applies that effect. And that's the hard part. But let's just keep going on the easy part. So you click through all the prompts. It takes roughly 5 minutes to get it all done, and that's pretty easy. But trying to take a 53-second sequence like I did at the beginning and put that all together, yeah, that's really tough to kind of go through and get 4-second clips and do all of that and edit it together. And is it perfect? No, it's not perfect at all. I mean, there's sometimes when it puts faces on my dog in weird spots, and sometimes it just can, like if you freeze frame it, you're like, what is that thing? But it is a good start. And even like the length of it could get extended in the future and make it a lot better. So I love that they're trying to push the boundaries for some creativity. You can add some really, really creative effects with this. And I've made videos in the past with Insta360, like using Sky Swap and things like that. It's just so much that you can play around with. But I just wanted to share that cool effect from the Ace Pro. I thought this is still a really fun camera to play with. It's got a lot of great features that I like a lot. Insta360 did not ask me to make this video. I just wanted to play around with it, show you guys a little bit of the studio that I have here. And this is the studio that I'm going to be at for the whole year. So that's going to be a lot of fun to make content here and share this with you guys. Thanks to you guys for being here. Stay tuned to the channel. There's a lot more coming up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.